What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this week's video we are checking out behind me today a 2-bedroom 2-bathroom property in La Hacienda de Cristina. We are west of Ajijic here. Back to Ajijic, it takes you about 10 minutes to go back, or we have San Juan Cosalar next door too, so pretty cool location here. It's a bit further out of town, so it's very quiet. This cute property behind me was built around 10 years ago, and I really like it. It's being sold fully furnished. It's got a filtration system on. You've even got a Mirador upstairs where you can take in beautiful views of the mountain range heading north. So without further ado, come with me today. Let's go and check it out. The video is on its way. So as you can see from the facade of the property, it's one level here, completely all one level. You've got space for one vehicle and a bit of extra space here on the left. More storage space that comes in really handy with the metal lockups there. Come on through. Come on in guys. So as you can see, we have an open concept living design here. To my left, this is the dining room table, and this is all your living room, which is topped off with this cute little wobber to ceiling, fireplace in the corner. If you come around here, I like what they've done with the kitchen here. The house, I have to say, really it's immaculate. It's been really well looked after for a property of say 11 years or so. There's plenty of cabinetry here. You've got granite surfaces. The house does come with all the appliances and fully furnished, so it's like a turnkey property. What I really like here too is I could be washing the dishes. You've got a view of the mountains. Here to my left hand side, this is where we have a full pantry area. That's where you're going to find the washer dryer stack and the water filtration system baths. I like it here just to point out the skylights really work here. So you've got one skylight here, another 3 skylights over there. I just really like that. It brings all this extra light into this area. The house feels great. It feels lovely and cozy, really airy. You've got views in the far distance of Mount Garcia in the far distance, south facing, and then you've got the views of the mountains. I mean, wherever you really look, you can see the mountains. I really like that. Here on this side of the property, we have the principal bedroom here. Come on through. So this would be a south facing principal bedroom, so you get a lot of the morning sun in here. Great size. You've got the ceiling fans here, but just I mean, for the size of property, it feels like a really nice ample sized room. Running off, you've got the walk-in closet here and a ensuite bathroom with a 1-sink vanity and a walk-in shower. Coming to the north part of the property, so this is where we're going to find the other bedroom, and this is a Jack and Jill bathroom, so guests can use it, and also it works as an ensuite bathroom for the second bedroom. Here to my left, you've got all these really nicely done built-ins. Let me take you out to the cute covered terrace, south-facing covered terrace, really cute garden. This is a really nice area, and I have to say, coming out here, it does feel really relaxed. I can hear the birds tweeting. We're doing this video at 10 to 5 right now in the afternoon, and you get this beautiful afternoon sun here. It doesn't feel that hot. It feels hot enough just to sit out here and catch those rays. And all I can hear is birds. It's just really nice. It's a cute little garden. So there is a Mirador upstairs that you can take in some really cool views of the mountain range. I really like that. So this is the Mirador upstairs. I really like this. Coming up here and having that viewpoint of the mountains is so lovely this time of the day. All of the 21 properties share this great common area, and this swimming pool really looks lovely. Just to mention that the HOAs are 1,888 pesos per month, and that works out around 90 bucks, 90 US dollars for the exchange per month for that, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know in the comments section down below what you think of this one. If you want to come and see it, please send me an email. My email is rich@richvarney.com. Check out my free monthly newsletter, link in the description. As always, that's it from me. Take care of yourselves, and I'll leave you with this view. Hasta luego, amigos.